Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you my current Halloween lineup. It is August. I do love Halloween. I don't always celebrate it with like giving out candy to all the kids, but I do love to go with my sister to go trick-or-treating, take the kids out trick-or-treating and stuff. So I look forward to doing Halloween every year. This is going to be the first year that I've actually dyed yarn specifically for Halloween. I did do a summer lineup this year. It was just to kind of get myself back into the groove of doing an actual collection. And so that sparked this next collection for Halloween, and I really am excited to share it with you guys. Now, in this channel, yes, I am going to share with you my shop updates, my yarn that I'm working on, but it doesn't matter what you use. I'm not pushing you to buy anything from me. I'm showing you what I'm selling, yes, but you can learn on any kind of yarn. The biggest message, the biggest takeaway that I want you to get from this is you can get any yarn from any store and have a good time knitting it up, crocheting it up, do whatever you want with it. But you can get yarn everywhere. If you're a beginner, I recommend that you go to your closest Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Walmart. You can even find yarn at Big Lots. Daiso still sells yarn. Those are my favorite places to go when I'm out, just and about, just grabbing whatever I want to grab along the way. If I'm going to go shopping at Walmart for some reason, I'm going to stop at the yarn aisle. If I'm going to go shopping at Daiso, I'm going to shop at the yarn aisle. I'm always, wherever it is that I'm going to be, I'm going to go and stop at the yarn aisle. I don't care what kind of yarn it is. I encourage you to work with it. But I do sell my yarn, and if you want to get started with that, that's perfectly fine too. And I encourage that as well. Okay, let me show you. I'm not going to get into the whole concept behind why it occurred to me. You're going to come to find that I'm a bit of a nerd. I'm just warning you. This is my collection, and I'm so excited for it. Like, I'm so excited for it. These colors are showing up okay, not great. Unfortunately, the lighting is never going to be perfect. Here, let me expand this for myself so I know what we're looking at. Now, the thought process is weird. But this is my collection. This is a lot more teal, greeny teal than is showing up. This has a bit of dark tealy greens, some beautiful light aqua blues. This is a mix of lavender colors with some teals, blues and grays. And this one has some interesting brown hues, golden brown, with some beautiful aqua and tealy kind of colors throughout. This one is called Hatchet Fish, and this is the first time that I ever, you guys were all learning in our own ways, okay? This is the first time that I did yarn based on a picture, a actual picture that I used as my inspiration to dye up all this yarn. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. This one is based on deep sea viperfish, deep sea hatchet fish, deep sea goblin shark. You guys have to look at a picture of a goblin shark. It's terrifying, I swear. Deep sea vampire squid. Whew. Deep sea dragonfish. Oh my goodness. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to take you with me to my Instagram. I should go to the Etsy. Yeah, I'll do the Etsy. So I could do Instagram too, but I'll do the Etsy. And I'll give you a quick little tour of my shop and take you through some of the, what do you call them? Whatever. We'll look up the yarn. Let's see how we could do this. Oh, well, it's gonna be fun. Okay, I found my shop. I am still recording. Now I'm gonna share my screen. And yes. This is my shop. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited about my new logo. So cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna take you through really quick because I don't want this to be like a super long video, but this is vampire squid. Oh my Lord have mercy. This is the picture that it was inspired by. And I cannot even, you guys. I really just can't. Look at, I'm not great at all the detail. Hopefully I'll get better. But oh, I even caught that kind of, see this little eyeball here? Even caught a little bit of that. And I just, so excited for this yarn. This is my absolute favorite. And I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna make myself a sweater out of this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Let's see the rest of this. That is a really blown out kind of picture. Really wish that I was better at photography. This one is pretty accurate, but a little bit deep. Pretty accurate. Yeah, I like the way they came out. I did okay with the photography. A little bit light. And then Etsy has these new little video things. You can't hear it because Etsy won't allow that, but these are all the fish that my collection was based off of. Deep Sea Horror Collection. My first collection ever. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I know that I'm being super goofy about this, but I'm just so super excited to share this with everybody, and to be sharing it this way is even more fun. I am, like I said, going to concentrate on doing tutorials, but hey, I want to share everything that I'm doing right now. It is not the easiest thing in the world for me, but I think it's just one of those things that just really keeps you going and really encourages you to just, I don't know why I took that picture that way, but whatever. Just to keep on keeping on. So the hatchet fish, I feel like I missed the mark with this pearly eyeball thing. I was mostly going with the browns on the inside of the mouth, which is why you see so much brown. But somebody did mention that I could have gone a little bit more yellow to capture the eyeballs and this bit. But I was working on a limited palette. I didn't want to overextend myself with too many colors and try to capture every single shade in the picture because I'm not that good. So I didn't even concentrate too much on the black background. You do see a little tiny bit of darkness, but not actual black. Little bit of darkness, not actual black. You do see some of these light colors and some of these darker colors, but the brown is basically based off of that. And I don't even think that I can, ooh, look at that. I got pretty close in there. Yeah. So that's pretty much what I based it on. I guess you could probably say that it's black, but it felt more brown to me. Like these spots up here, for example, they felt like a brownie, super umber, like brown umber kind of color. So that's what I was going for. Let's take a look at the next one. We'll do it this way because I don't really know how to navigate without my fingers. My keyboard is super far away from me. Here we go. Whoops. How do we get there? Yards. No, sir. There we go. There we go. Now, this one is dragonfish. Dragonfish? Viperfish. Yeah. This was the very first one. So you guys are seeing me at the beginning of my dyeing journey. It's not actually the beginning. It's just the beginning of the next level for me. I know a lot of people don't do photography plus dyeing because it's a lot of work, a lot of effort. It's just a lot of planning. But I mean, look at the results. For me, it was just amazing. So this picture is like, first try, you guys. First try. I was trying to capture this kind of situation here with the colors, and this one up here, and there's a little bit of like a pinky lavendery sort of hue, which I think I went too far, but it happens. Anyway, these fish are probably, this is probably not even the actual color of these fish, because when you take them out of the deep sea, they don't look like, they don't look that way. All right, let's do one more. Dragonfish. Yes, dragonfish. Oh, I wanted to show you goblin shark. I have to show you guys goblin shark. Let's take a look at this one. This is dragonfish. I think it's pretty good. I liked it. I did try to concentrate a little bit on the black, but I didn't want it to completely overpower the entire thing because I don't want black yarn. Black yarn is not the easiest thing in the world to work with. And I don't recommend that you ever work with black yarn if you're a beginner knitter. So I forgot what I was talking about, but there we are. Kind of sort of captured this one. Again, these things, they come out of the deep ocean. They don't look like that. Why did I choose the deep sea? I don't know, guys. It's just, that's the direction that I went in. I wanted something simple. I also wanted something scary. And I also wanted something oceany. I love the ocean. It's amazing. Also, it's still summer. So that's my logic. Okay. We'll just click it once. Okay, so this is Goblin Shark. Oh my god. This yarn I love so much. So much. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. This one just is amazing. I was trying, you guys, you'll see my logic in a moment when I show you the picture of the shark. This picture came out a little bit over bright. I don't know how to explain it, but look at the gums. Look at the gums on this guy. They're kind of pinky. Okay, work with me here. Then there's a little bit of like muddy gray brown in some areas. And look at that snoot. I couldn't even fit it in there. Look at that snooter. Is this not terrifying? Like if you saw this coming at you, which you wouldn't because it's the deep sea and you would die down there. But look at that. These colors were amazing. I had to just try my best. And I think I did a pretty good job. So see these little bits here? I guess this is like the gums. But that's it, you guys. Oh my God. It was the most fun to dye up these skeins of yarn. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you kind of feel me with my excitement, and that you understand this little journey that I'm kind of trying to take. I do want to showcase my yarn, but more importantly, I do want to have a platform to show you guys how to knit and why this is so exciting and such a fun um, hobby to take a part in. It's such a huge community. People do not know or understand how big this community actually is. It's I wouldn't say it's like on, would you say that it's on par with the gamer community? No. I don't think there are enough knitters in the world in comparison to gamers. But it's close. It's a big hobby, all right? Anyway. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I do recommend that you run out and get yourself any store-bought yarn, any yarn at all, to learn how to knit. And I think next up, we're going to do something super simple, but I might have a sit and knit or knit and chat with me to get through it, because it's going to be a little bit bigger. I'll leave it a surprise, but it is going to be in line with the current times. I'm a little late to the game right now, but it's still, I think, like, relevant. And it should help you get through the winter. Anyway, I know I'm being cryptic and silly, but you'll feel me. You'll get to know me. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications so that you'll know when I do a video. And maybe in the future, I will go live with some knit and chat sessions. Perhaps. I don't know if anybody likes me. We'll find out. Okay. Oh, do you have any comments? Oh, yes. Leave me comments down below, please. I need to know if you guys like my yarn. Okay. Love you. Bye.